In the depths of these ponds, in the middle of the desert in Utah, hides a secret material. This secret material is responsible from everything from the cereal you eat to the fireworks you enjoy on the night of July 4th. It is even integral to the history of the United States and its existence. Join me as we explore this wonderful material. Potassium lies to the far left on the periodic table. It is one of the alkali metals. Another famous alkali metal is sodium, which is an important building block of table salt. Potassium is hard to find in its elemental form and is rather found more often bonded with another element. Potassium in its elemental form is soft enough to cut, even though it is a metal, and is also highly reactive in water and therefore must be stored under mineral oil. The production of potassium is an interesting process. Water is pumped at high speed deep into the ground. In the ground, it absorbs the potassium deposits, which readily dissolve with the water. After this, the water is forced up to the surface, where it reaches the evaporation ponds. Here, the sun heats the water until it evaporates, leaving nothing behind but the potassium deposit. From here, it will go to be used in many processes and in many products. Potassium is an important part of the American identity. The first patent ever given out in 1790 was given for a potassium fertilizer. This patent was even signed by George Washington. In the form of saltpeter, potassium allowed the American forces to win in the American Revolution, thereby securing the freedom of all of us today. In addition, potassium is important in many other areas. It is used in fertilizers. Some studies have even shown that half of the world's population relies on food that is grown with the help of potassium. Potassium helps the plants survive drought or any lack of water and provides electrolytes. These electrolytes even are what allow our muscles to move in our bodies. We can thank potassium for everything from popcorn to tomatoes, or even the muscles that we may or may not have. Potassium is also an important part of what allows fireworks and guns to work in the form of saltpeter. Potassium also has some surprising uses in soaps and glass. This is part 3 of a 92-part series on the elements, where we are diving into facts about each of these elements that you may never have heard. Join me and help me by subscribing so that I can create more content like this. This is Flying Giuseppe.